I introduced my cat to my brother for the first time, hoping that they like each other. But this happened instead. Round 1. If you already watched this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Round 2. Look like they are slowing down. They seem a little tired on round 2. Probably they spent too much of their energy in round 1. Round 2 seem a little boring. Let's introduce you to opponent. Opponent number 1. My brother served in Afghanistan. Opponent number 2. My cat Loki served nowhere in life but loved to be served and treat like princess. Round 3 and final round. Please watch the video until the end and let me know who you think wins this fight. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for spending time watching my video, and thank you for like, subscribe and comments. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Okay.